Thank you.
ఓహోహోహోహో! పాపమండి. ఆవిడ చాలా స్వీట్‌గా రోజ్ ఫ్లవర్ ఇస్తే మీరు గన్ ఇవ్వడం గన్ గన్ షాట్‌లో గన్ పెట్టడం ఏంటండి మీరు?
That is dacoit.
ఆహా! ఓహో! చాలా పగడ్బందీగా ప్లాన్ చేశారు మీరైతే. అర్థమైపోయింది మాకు. సో, ఈ దొంగలిద్దరూ నిజంగానే మన మనసులు దోచేయడానికి సిద్ధమైపోయారు అని చెప్పి. ఓకే. 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 ఓకే అండి. పిక్ చేద్దాం. యాహ్! సో, ముందుగా మా జూలియట్‌తో మొదలు పెడదాం. సో, ఆడవాళ్ళతో ఆరంభిస్తేనే మంచిది అంటారు కదా! సో, రోజ్ ఫ్లవర్ ఇచ్చి చాలా సున్నితంగా ప్రపోజ్ చేశారు ఆవిడ. చాలా స్వీట్‌గా ఎక్స్‌చేంజ్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి ముందుగా మా మృణాల్ గారిని మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో గుడ్ టు సీ యూ ఆఫ్టర్ అ వెరీ వెరీ లాంగ్ టైమ్.
Thank you.
యాహ్! ప్లీజ్.
టీజర్ మీకు నచ్చిందని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. I'm so happy to be here. You get to see a different avatar of Mrunal. Yes, you saw her as Sita, you saw her as Yashna, but now you will see her as Juliet, aka Saraswati. And I'm just so happy to be here again because uh, to be to be a part of a film which is not just a project but it's very close to my heart. Probably the only film that took me literally few minutes to just come on board and immediately start shooting within 15 days. This doesn't happen often and it's rare. I have put my heart and soul in this movie. Not just me, but the entire team has put their heart and soul and blood and sleepless nights, if I can say so. I have a mark, I can show it. Shesh gave it to me during an action scene, but like they say, no, daag achhe hai. Having said that, Shinil Garu, he is such a wonderful man to work with, and I'm I'm super excited to have him by my side. And we had such a fun shoot because it was a collaborative experience, and shooting with two Americans just makes things very easier for me, and I'm just like getting ready for my Hollywood debut. So thanks. And Supriya, where are you? There you are. I think I want to be like her. She's feisty. There's nothing that she can't do. She'll just be like, we'll get it done. This is sorted. I think when you have a female producer on set, and I've been just blessed with Swapna Garu during Sita Ramam, and now Supriya. So thank you so much for pampering me, for making me feel like home, and it is such a wonderful experience. I think I'm gonna cry later when on my next film. I'm just gonna end up calling you guys like a wreck, saying that I miss you all. And coming back to my most favorite on the set is Shesh Garu. Uh, like you must have seen on the glimpses of in the teaser that we don't get along, we are always fighting, there's a love hate relationship, there's run, there's chase, there's a heist, there's a lot going on, but what a fantastic experience. He's a gentleman, and he truly knows how to have a balanced set. So thank you for such a lovely experience, and whenever you guys will see Hari, you all will be really proud of him, because this is something which I have never experienced. This is the first time he's created magic on screen, and I'm really excited for its release. Thank you. And the entire team, I love you all. Team Decoy. Kittu, you're the best.
ఈ సినిమాకి గాను సరస్వతి జూలియట్, మనందరి జూలియట్ ఆవిడ. ఓకేనా? ఇవాల్టి నుంచి జూలియట్ ఆవిడ. ఓకే, జూలియట్కి మనందరం లవ్ యూ చెప్దామా? ఆ?
మీ అందరూ బాగా